What's up, guys? For those of you who don't know me, my name is Levi. I am the owner of Keep 'em Leads, a local SEO agency that works in two specific niches: HVAC local SEO and junk removal local SEO. Those are the industries we know we can absolutely kill it in, and we see the best results. This is a continuation of the Jedi Junk Removal Building in Public SEO series, where I'm teaching you guys every step of the way. This is something me and Andrew facilitated, worked out together to show you guys kind of behind that curtain of SEO jargon, where SEOs like myself will try to make it seem very, very complicated and tricky. And I'm showing you guys step by step how to do your own SEO. Be educated so you don't get scammed. All around, just helpful knowledge. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Most of you guys aren't subscribed. Comment whatever you guys want to know about, what you want to learn about. For this video, to help the YouTube algorithm, please comment indexing URLs or indexing citations, Google indexing, words like that. Thank you guys so much for those of you that do that. It helps me out a ton. Let's get straight into the video. For those of you that want access to this Notion page, it's everything from my SEO YouTube videos, all the SOPs, Google Docs, everything completely for free. You can book a call with my agency right here. Sign up for the first link in the description. It's a link to my newsletter. You'll be sent an email. Click confirm my email and you'll be redirected to this page. These are all little drop-down tabs. I think a few people got confused on that. Pretty straightforward. And today's video, super, super valuable. How to see if a URL is indexed outside of your own website. So this is a major deal. Why is it a major deal? To be able to see if a URL is on Google or indexed. If your citation specifically is not indexed, it won't do anything. If Google doesn't know it exists, it obviously doesn't do anything on Google. If you go cheap with those options I gave you in the last video, places that build citations on Fiverr, even if you go expensive, the Bright Local campaign that was like $500 when you fully deck it out, you need to make sure those citations are indexed. It's a big deal, like I keep saying. Use my step-by-step process to see if they're indexed after you pay for them when they send you the report. And a hint, most likely they are not indexed. Most of these providers will not index the citations or the URLs for you. Costs them extra money and extra time. So I'll show you how. First, here is how to manually check and see if any URL is indexed or on Google in Google's index. Obviously, you don't have access to Google Search Console for these URLs. If you did, then you would check on Google Search Console if it was your own website. So you can't do it through there. How do I manually check Google's index then? Right here. Extremely simple and straightforward. You go to site:/URL. So I'll show you, here's an example. For Jedi Junk Removal, site:/HTTPS. You want to use that, the full URL. And so we'll copy and paste this. And then all you do is go to Google, Command V, enter. We know it was indexed because Google Search Console told us so, but this also confirms that it is indexed. Good to see. So now we're going to go through the actual citations and manually check if some of them are indexed. And I did this before the video. You'll be surprised by what URLs are not indexed. One of them is extremely shocking, and it's a big deal. I'll show you guys. So I am using Bright Local. Keep in mind, I have someone on my team doing all the content for Jedi Junk Removal, map embeds, citation building. So not all the citations are built. They're building them actively. Let's go to this Bright Local campaign. And also to let you guys behind the curtain, this is a white label report. Bright Local is somewhat of a SEO agency white label software. So that's my logo and my email. But this is Bright Local. They just let me slap my own stuff on it. Don't be fooled. I didn't build this. Most SEO agencies didn't build any of their software that they use. Just trying to help you guys understand the landscape and how things work so that you can do all your own SEO. Or realize that it's pretty complicated and you want me to do your SEO also. So here are our citations. It is picking up NAP errors just with very, very minor mistakes like capitalization or parentheses around the phone number, even dashes being different. It picks up pretty much everything. So Google, obviously, we know it's indexed. It should be indexed. I'd be mind blown if it wasn't. Stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to check these indexations in bulk to see what URLs are indexed and what citations are indexed. So it's a lot easier. You get them in a Google Sheet, you copy and paste them. That'll be at the end of the video. So let's see if Facebook is indexed. That's a good one to check right off the bat. Jedi Junk Removal's Facebook. A lot of the time, it's not indexed. Pretty common. Go to the URL, Control-C, copy the URL, paste it into site, HTTPS, semicolon, slash, slash, the URL, of course. And then hit enter. Should be on Google. There it is. Shows up first thing. We have 4 of these matching that URL, which is really good to see. And it takes us there. It is on Google. So now let's check one of the more surprising ones. Yelp should definitely be on Google. Anyone looking at this would think it's on Google, right? I clicked on it. Just because you can click on it doesn't mean it's on Google. It needs to be on the front end of their index, meaning it actually shows up on Google within search results. So Jedi Junk Removal, they got 23 reviews on here. You would think it's indexed. They have a bunch of photos. Someone spent their time decking this out, making it work. We have a backlink right there, a bunch of keywords, all their services. Yeah, a ton of work was put into this. It better be on Google, right? Let's find out. So we got site, semicolon, paste in your URL. It's not on Google. So this is a huge deal. We need to get this indexed, and then we need to start link building to this citation. This will massively help us in the Google Map Pack and overall. So that's very shocking, right? You would think it's indexed. It has all that information on it. Let's check one more, and then I'll show you guys the quick way to do this. So this is Foursquare, another one. And you guys can do them all manually like this, but I'll show you a much easier way to do it. Not on Google as well. So we need to get a lot of these indexed, and I'm sure if you scroll down through all of these, the majority are not indexed. That's generally the case, and most of them have no links pointing to them. So to get them in a bulk format, you go to Actions, Download CSV. Remember, this is Bright Local. This is the citation tracker on Bright Local. Download CSV. You'll go to a file like this. It'll look like this. I don't like Apple's numbers sheet, so it puts it like this, and I don't use it for anything. So I'm going to export the data I want. Shows you the phone number and everything. Pretty cool. Citation link. So you are going to take all of these links, copy them, and then paste them into a Google Sheet. This is what I prefer to do. And then make it look good. Indexed citation URL. I'll give you guys the link to this. I'll share it with you guys in case you want it. Now we're going to take the top 5. So just go right here. Shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to have to do them in chunks of 5. There was a bulk free indexation checker. It had issues and it was kind of clunky, so I chose a better tool for you guys to use. And 5 at a time goes pretty quick. I think I have 60 here. Oh, I have 40, so there we go. It only takes 8 times to figure out all of them, right? So this is the free index checking tool. You guys can get access to that Notion sheet to find it, or just go to the URL, smallseotools.com, Google Index Checker. These are all a bunch of free SEO tools for you guys to use. I don't want you guys paying for this. A lot of people try to make people pay to see what URLs are indexed, but it's completely free. All you need is a bot to do exactly what I did the first time manually. So just paste your URLs in there, and then it'll pop up its little logo and then show you. So Facebook is indexed, right on. Medium is indexed, good. Bing, not indexed, but that's Bing, so it's kind of a different circumstance. It's not going to show up on Google. Quora is indexed. Local google.com is indexed. So good. So we know the top 4 are good. We can put no index on Bing, but that's for Bing, so it's separate. Let's go like this, and then we hit the next 5. And it really is just that simple. Do this 8 times. You're not going to have that many citations. You really shouldn't have more than 250. So you can see the Yelp citation is not indexed. That's a huge deal. Foursquare is not indexed. Just take this data, put it into the sheet, and then go get them indexed. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these indexed at an affordable rate. There was one tool I always used, which I'll show in the next video. Apparently, there's a new tool that is better. So I'll show you guys what to use, what the black hat SEOs are using, what the white hat SEOs are using. That's been the video, guys, for today. If you have any questions, please comment. And for those of you that need or want SEO advice on your website, book a call with me. I love speaking with you guys. I want everyone to benefit from a relationship with me. So please book a call and we'll get you set up with ongoing SEO or point you in the right direction and where you should go with your SEO campaign. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.